Meaning of forewarning.
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 Forewarning. Forewarning refers to the act of giving advance notice or warning about something that is likely to happen in the future, particularly something that could be dangerous or harmful. The purpose of forewarning is to allow individuals to take appropriate precautions or actions to mitigate the potential risks or negative consequences of the predicted event. By providing forewarning, people can prepare themselves mentally and physically, and make necessary arrangements to minimize damage or loss. Forewarning enables us to be proactive and avoid being caught off guard when events do occur.